Hey everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations. I have a shopping haul that I did with Country Craft Creations for Black Friday, and I have to share with you what I got. I am super excited about all of this stuff, and I just need to share it with you. So, again, this was a Black Friday sale that I did with Country Craft Creations, and I got two of their new collections that I have been waiting to get, and I just am super excited about it. And then I got a couple other things that I've really wanted, so I just wanted to share with you what I got. We'll go through these collections here. I did get art glitter glue because you can't have enough art glitter glue, and winter is coming and this does not ship when it's freezing, so I had to stock up and grab another bottle of that. And then I decided that I knew I was going to have this, so I got the new collections Into the Forest and Colors of Autumn, and you know what, they're gorgeous. Into the Forest is a Little Red Riding Hood themed paper, and it's absolutely a beautiful collection. I'm going to go through this with you real quick and just show you the papers. So I got 8x8 collections for both of these. In the 8x8 collections, you always get 2 sheets of the cut aparts. And the beautiful pattern on the back is just gorgeous. So you can use one for the cut aparts, and then you can use the other one for this particular paper if you want. But then you also get these cut aparts journaling cards. So you get the 3 at the top here, you get 4 little ones down here, and then you get border strips. And these are just really amazing to use. Look at I just love this. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous collection. And the back of those are just beautiful. So then you have your pattern papers, and in all of the pattern papers you get 3 of each. So just go through those real quick. You've got Little Red Riding Hood with that beautiful plaid there. We have another Red Riding Hood with look at the wolves in the background, just gorgeous. I'm thinking about, a kid's storybook here. Wouldn't that be fun to do? Just gorgeous. I would love, another idea that I thought about was if I could find a little golden book with this story in here and then incorporate this into here, because a lot of folks are making junk journals with these. I thought that would be gorgeous too. Grandma's sleeping, the wolf. Not in this house. Grandma would get upset. Beautiful papers though. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at her face. She's just beautiful. The mushrooms on the back. Oh, so beautiful. And the story pages here. All of the story pages, just gorgeous. Oh, and that beautiful burlap backing. Gorgeous. Different images with the my what big teeth you have, my what big eyes you have. Look at that. I just love the papers. And then the basket. Of course, you got to have the basket of goodies and the red gingham there. So that is Into the Forest, and so I purchased that. And then I also got Colors of Autumn, and this one is a beautiful collection too. And when I saw this, I knew my mom would love it, and I loved it. The butterflies, and then autumn is my favorite, so it's just gorgeous. I had to pick this up. And I know autumn's over, but it's never too early for Halloween, right? Right. As I actually took a picture of myself drinking my tea in front of my Christmas tree with my Halloween mug today. So I'll put a picture of that in here right now for you. So you get the cut aparts here, and again, 2 sheets of those with the beautiful butterflies on the back. This one, you get the 2 sheets of the journal cards again. Look how gorgeous these are. Look how gorgeous. And then the back with the beautiful leaves. Fall is my favorite, so I just am loving this. And the colors, look at the colors. The colors are gorgeous. So I'm definitely had to have this. Beautiful papers. Look at that. This is a gorgeous paper collection. I just love this. Yes, I know I've said that 100 times. Okay, so you guys have to go to Country Craft Creations. You have to get these papers. They are amazing. I just think that everything made with this would be gorgeous. Look at the butterflies and the pumpkins. I mean, seriously, how beautiful is that? And the wood panel there with the very faint, but there's words on the back of the wood, so just gorgeous. Yeah. That gorgeous look at the butterflies. I mean, they're just everywhere. Oops. I got one too many. So there you go. And then here's the last one. So gorgeous florals, pumpkins, all the beautiful things. So that is Colors of Autumn. So I got those 2 paper collections, and of course now there's more out there I need to get, but you know what? I will. I also ordered, she has these exclusively in the shop for making a calendar, and I bought 2 packs of these. They have 12 in each one, because I also purchased the Collector's Essential Set Noteworthy by Simple Stories. I am, you guys know, a planner, and I love taking notes and things like that. And when I saw this collection, I thought I have to have this, and I have to make something with it. So combined with her exclusive calendar printables and this, I'm going to be making a project. So I'm really excited about that. So I won't go through the papers, but you can kind of see through the packaging. This is gorgeous, and it has everything. You get 12 sheets of the double-sided cardstock. You get 12 by 12 stickers. You get the simple page pieces. You get chipboard stickers, and then journal bits and pieces. So you get the whole collection here. And you can see, I mean, it's just really cute. So I am going to make a project with this. I did also stock up on my black artisan cardstock because, you know, that is a staple. And once you've used artisan cardstock, you will never want to use another cardstock ever again for wrapping, for any of your card making, your album making. This stuff scores beautifully and it will not crack. So making album covers, definitely exclusively this paper. Making my configuration pages that I do with the folds and the you know, scores and everything, amazing papers. So I stocked up on that. And then because it was Black Friday, I was lucky, and we had a she had a special where you got a little grab bag full of just a variety of little papers. So this was my grab bag, and I just wanted to show you, and I was really excited to get this for a couple reasons. So my grandson has a birthday coming up, and I'm gonna need to make him a birthday card, and I thought the animal stuff was really adorable, and that would make a really cute birthday card for him. So I got that paper, and this paper here is just absolutely gorgeous, and I have done projects with this, and I can add this to that. So I got that, and this I just got, you know, there's just a little grab bag of stuff, but also there's 3 different pages of this, and I could totally make projects with these 3 pages. These would make great cards, all that stuff. So I'm pretty happy with that. This Magical Place here by Echo Park, gorgeous, and I can use these papers to make a fun project, you know, theme park themed, and just absolutely gorgeous. Here's another one of the, oh yeah, I should put these with the other ones here because they go great with the animal papers that I got. So let me see. I got 2 of this one. So that's perfect because then I have all 4 prints here. And then on the backs of these, look at that. So that's going to make a really cute card for my grandson. I think he's really going to like it. And then, let's see, they're all upside down, but I got some more graphic 45 paper. I just used this for a retreat project for Country Craft Creations. And now I can do something else with these papers. So that was in my grab bag. So that was my Black Friday sale. Really excited about that. And I got some great stuff that I'm going to be playing with. So I've got a calendar project I'd like to do. And then I also am going to be using Colors of Autumn and Into the Forest, the newer exclusive papers from Country Craft Creations. So that's my shopping haul. And I just wanted to share that with you. Thanks for watching and have a great day. And I'll be back soon and I'll show you what I did with all of this stuff. All right. Have a great day. Stay crafty. Bye-bye.